Now is my favorite part, but I have mixed feelings about it. It's eyeliner. My favorite part because it changes my face. Least favorite part because it's not that easy to do. I love being relatable. I'm such a klutz, you know. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing the trend right now, which is pretending I'm in a Vogue beauty secrets video, which is a segment on Vogue where celebrities are invited to do their makeup looks. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Hi Vogue, it's me, Kiona De Silva. If you don't know me, I played the lead in the show Dystopia. So Vogue very kindly invited me to do this segment on their channel, which is the beauty secret segment, where I'm going to show you, guide you through my everyday makeup routine, which is really simple and no wasting time, really to the point, and this has saved me so many times when I was in a rush, so I hope it saves you too. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I've already put my moisturizer. This is the Dot & Key Skincare 72 Hydrating Gel plus probiotics. I love this stuff. My skin's very soft, supple, and I've already put my 50+ SPF, which is so important. Don't skip on it unless you want like sun damage and wrinkled young. So yeah, now I'm just using this Nivea Fruity Lip Balm to prep with my lip stuff, I guess. I don't know how you beauty gurus do it, seriously. Can this come out? Like, I'm gonna put a lot of it, but it's fine. Yum, this tastes really good, which is funny, but anyways, now let's get on to the base. Since it's a natural makeup look, usually if I do like heavy eyeshadow, then I do my eyes first. When it's a natural look, I just do my base. But I have wet my, this is the e.l.f. Beauty Blender. If you're in a rush, there's nothing like a quick sponge moments help life, saves lives. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. This stuff is fire. So just put one pump on it because I don't like looking cakey like my co-stars. I'm kidding. They're so flawless. Like, just using this little mirror because I don't have an aesthetic bathroom. I just love how like sponges work the makeup in. It's like so easy and quick. It's really no fuss, and make sure you're quick because then you get those funny foundation spots which are not fun. And always like always help me feel better, I always have like these mini hoops on because it's just, I don't like too heavy earrings, but I like this size and it's like makes me feel cute. Make sure you're looking at your mirror up close so that there's no paparazzi catches you with like unblended makeup, because it's so awkward. Like, what do you tell the person? Like, can you take this down? My makeup is not blended. Like, can you imagine how awkward that would be? Anyways, can't relate. So now I'm doing brows. Unlike my peers, my co-stars, I love using affordable makeup because it gets the job done. I love being relatable, you know. Just brushing through my unkept brows. I need to get them done. I just have been lazy, you know. Actually, not really lazy, it's the pandemic. I shouldn't be going out and getting my brows done. I have better priorities. Slightly filling in my brows. I have already pretty bushy brows, so I don't go with the like really small strokes. Use my finger to just like smudge the front part because I like the front to be like feathery. Just a little fluffy eyebrow moment. Just brushing through that. You can set them if you want, but I let them have their own mind. They are free. Now onto eyes. I'm using the concealer. This is the PAC concealer, Spotlight Ready Concealer in Nutcracker. I don't like too of a light concealer because it's not for me. If it's for you, like, by all means go ahead. Not my thing. some on my eye bags, on my eyelids. Apparently I can't speak today. Just the inner corners, you know, fake it till you make it. Fake it that you got some sleep last night, but you didn't because you were scrolling through your phone. Taking that same sponge to just blend it in. This sponge just does the work for you. Love that. Now I look like I actually got sleep. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I'm using the lightest shade to really give that airbrush look underneath my eyes. Really sell that I really have a healthy sleep schedule, you know, as I should, because I work really hard. Just anywhere else where I would crease, just whatever is remaining. Now we're gonna do the eyes, and for eyes, a little bit of bronzer in the crease of my eyes because this is quick makeup look. We don't have time to go through many products. Just slightly winging it. Soft, gentle strokes so that the brush does the blending for you, like lightly, just to add some depth in your eyes. The concealer just takes all the definition right out. My eyes are watering because I just stabbed my brush in the eye. Not so soft, gentle strokes now. Is that? I don't know how other people make these makeup look so effortless. It's just, I'm such a klutz, you know. Now that that's done, I'm gonna actually contour my nose a bit, like ever so slightly. Not much, just connecting the eyebrows to my nose a bit and just shading the front. And for eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy palette. I'm using this eyeshadow in the center because I have rose gold. Just using it on my eyes. I feel like this looks so pretty on my eyes. I'm using the lightest shade in that palette to add some definition in the center. Just make my eyes pop a little bit in my inner tear duct. Now is my favorite part, but I have mixed feelings about it. It's eyeliner. My favorite part because it changes my face. Least favorite part because it's not that easy to do. So, but this NYX Epic Ink Liner does make it easy to follow along. So I just kind of extend my eyeliner and then I bring it back and then I connect it. Once I've got this basic liner done, keeping it below my crease, then I take the end of the liner and connect it back to the crease. Like that, and gives this double wing look. And I just extended my inner corner a bit. And yeah, we're gonna do it on this eye and be right back. I've done my eyeliner and I also did some mascara. I curled my lashes and put this Maybelline mascara. I'm doing some bronzer, same bronzer I used earlier from Makeup Revolution. Not much, I just want to look slightly sun-kissed. Then I'm going to use some blush. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush in Pop My Cherry. Love this stuff. I love blush. I cannot live without blush. Especially love putting it on my temples and on my nose and on my chin. Almost that sunburnt effect. Now is highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Molten Chrome highlighter. Using that same highlighter on my nose and inner tear duct. And we're gonna do the lippies. I love lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Chestnut lip liner. I overline them slightly because I don't have lip filler. So I'm going to be using my go-to lipstick. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Exotic. While that dries, I'm just going to use a face mist. This is a Lavender Tranquility face mist just to refresh my makeup. I love lavender. The smell is just delicious. Now that that is dried, I'm using the Sephora Gloss in the shade Boss. I love a gloss moment. And I'm just going to do my hair, any fixes that I couldn't see on the camera, and I'm going to show you the final result. So I'm done with my hair. I did these little pigtails, which is my signature hairstyle. This is finished product, my easy everyday glam-ish on the go makeup look. So I hope everyone liked this video. I know it was different, I know it's kind of fake in this video, but it was a fun one, and I really enjoy this makeup look. I do it all the time, so this was kind of helpful in a way. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and watch my other videos. See you in my next one. Bye!